What's up guys, and I'm back with a brand new video. Today we're taking a look at the top new features and awesome things of the new and the hottest OnePlus 6. Number 1, the all-new hideable notch display. The most obvious, the most controversial change of design is implementing the notch on the display, inspired truly by Apple, but hey, their notch is smaller and it includes the front camera and a secondary speaker. The look of the notch is very similar to the Huawei P20's notch. The display is 6.28 inch with near 90% screen to body ratio, so you'll have plenty of screen area to play with. And by the way, it still has a chin at the bottom, which kind of sucks, but the CEO has explained it perfectly. Basically, it requires a curved OLED display to implement a chinless design, which only Apple can do as of now. So he sees the chin notch design in the future of most Android phones until they finally figure out the tech Apple used to hide the chin. But yeah, the biggest hard decision is the notch inclusion on the phone. And just so you know, you should be able to hide the notch in the settings as well. Next up, water resistant. OnePlus has always made amazing affordable flagship level phones with mostly hitting the essentials, but this year, they are really going to make it the complete overall killer in order to put it against the best of the best like the iPhone X and the Galaxy S9. So the OnePlus 6 is officially the first ever OnePlus flagship phone to be water and dust resistant with IP68 rating. Number 3, the all new camera. Now for the first time ever, the camera on the OnePlus 6 will rival the gods of smartphone camera like the Pixel 2 XL, Galaxy S9 Plus and the iPhone X. On paper, it looks similar to the OnePlus 5T with a 20 plus 16 megapixel camera combination, but it actually have a new sensor with improved image processing that goes toe-to-toe against the best of the best. This time, they have really improved the low light performance. It's massively improved. It's an area where previous OnePlus flagship always lacked performance, so they made it better. And not only that, it also supports super slow-mo video recording at 960 frames per second. Number 4, Android P ready. It's been announced that OnePlus 6 will be Android P ready. As soon as it gets announced, users will be able to install the latest version of Android P right away. The UI will be gesture-based with all the bells and whistles of the new software version. And the best part is you don't have to wait months for the update unlike some other phones. So you'll get the latest Android P as soon as you buy this phone with near stock Android, just a little bit of OnePlus customization. For the first time, updates-wise, it is right on par with the Google Pixel phone. And to me, that is absolutely incredible. Number 5, best premium hardware. As always, OnePlus 6 carries the tradition of bringing the best hardware to the table. You'll find a Snapdragon 845 processor inside with 8GB of RAM combined with their software tricks and pure look. We might actually be looking at the most snappiest phone of the year. The battery size is expected to be around 3400 mAh. It's gonna be one of the best phone battery-wise as always because we have seen the previous flagship in our battery drain test that it'll always come second or first. So you should be able to get a 1 day of usage out of this phone easily, combined with that fastest fast charging right out of the box. Phone is the most premium OnePlus phone they have ever made, featuring an all-glass design with aluminum on the sides. It's a little bit curved at the edges to make it fit comfortably in one hand. And last but the most important is the pricing. In this age of $1,000 smartphone price, OnePlus 6 is indeed a blessing for the most. So a 64GB base model of OnePlus 6 will going to cost around $550, whereas a 128GB model will be costing near $600. This price is increased compared to the previous pricing, but the phone got so much better overall that it's not going to be a big issue. Still, for 2018 standards, it's a killer price. You can almost buy 2 OnePlus 6 base models in the price of one iPhone X. So that is absolutely crazy. With all the features, with all the new exciting stuff, the new hardware, I think the pricing is on point. So yeah guys, that's the top new features of the new OnePlus 6. Let me know what your favorite is, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.